Hi, I'm Tanya Shooting with Keller Williams Realty. Please come take a look inside 9 Grovewood Drive in the Alston Park Community. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with new LVP flooring, vaulted ceilings in the living room, very nice open floor concept. Dining area perfect for entertaining, open to the kitchen. Large Carolina room that overlooks the backyard, which is fenced in. Stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite is on the opposite side of the other 2 bedrooms. Are the additional bedrooms and a full bath. Backyard has a patio slab for entertaining. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.